That was good, Fiona. Wow. Oh my goodness. He really let it fly there.
Yeah, Tyler, he's in. We're going to go Fiona, she just nailed it. We're going to go
All
Dexter.
right, Fiona gets to
And
the
we're
final
gonna go
four.
First Evan that way. Evan Day. Come on up, final four.
Hey, Fiona! 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 Can't hear me. She's too excited.
Remember, we're looking for that slap.
Fiona's beating all the big kids. Okay, so the four finalists, and she's the only girl. There's thing to watch for. Ooh, wow, that was pretty good. Yeah. Is they can't show any fear. They can't put a knee down or an arm down ahead of time. They just got to flop right in there. It's pretty good. Let's see this one. Oh, yeah, these guys have the technique, for sure. That's why they're in the final four. Oh, no, you kind of... There goes Fiona. Woo! Okay, now they're deliberating. Well, they're deliberating. Tough decision. Those are four good final belly flops. Oh. Oh, Tyler and Fiona. Fiona's in the final two. Okay, let's do it. Go, Fiona. Okay. There they go. Tyler and Fiona. Okay, there they go. Oh my goodness. He's a big guy. A little girl. Okay, final two. Hey, Madeline. Hey, Madeline. She's in the final two.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. That's great. Go, Fiona. No fear. Oh, I guess Tyler goes first. Are they going to do it at the same time? Oh, Tyler first. Whoa! That's very hard to decide. They're very, very, very equal. Fiona! Woo! Fiona wins the Abenaki belly flop. Hey, what do you think, Kayla?
What?
Fiona just won the belly flop.
I know, it's so good.
That's cool, eh?
Great job, Fiona!
All right. That's great. Our friends are cheering her on. Good job, Fiona. Her friends are congratulating her. Oh, and she gets a frisbee as a prize, I guess. Oh, Kayla's going to congratulate Fiona. The high fives all round. and her coaches and her friends, Kayla and Maddie. Hey, give me high fives. Fiona. Hey, Fiona. Come give me high fives. I caught the whole thing on film. Woohoo! We got you. That's pretty good.
That would be a funny video watching.
That'll be great, yeah. Yeah.
I don't even know what I look like.
Well, you showed like you had no fear. You just sort of flopped out. You didn't put a knee down, you didn't put an arm down, you just went flop.
I can't do a belly flop.
So great. All right, you cold, you come on up and get dried off. B, why don't you come get dried off? We'll put some sunscreen on. Okay,
I wish I
there we
would
go.
have won.